Hey guys, Universal Monster here to do more shit for an hour. What I'm gonna do here is try to put the board thing. I'm gonna have to go to monitor. Going to have to put this thing, well, I don't have to, but I want to put it into its own scene so that it doesn't like take up memory until we need it, and hopefully like save space, be more organized, whatever the fuck. And maybe make things a bit more modular, because I want to have shit like moddable. But anyway, alright, back to Godot. So, one thing I kind of want to say, as long as my brain doesn't get overloaded from doing two things at once, new scene. No, it's already getting overloaded. Put it as a sprite node. Rename it as board control? Sure. Board control. And then save this scene as scenes default board control. Alright, so I've been doing some thinking, and currently I'm thinking or feeling about like I kind of just, well, not just, but mostly I would like a comfortable life. Like maybe that's what I should strive for more. So it should be alright if I do anything and just with the goal of like trying to be more comfortable, more kind of relaxed, hopefully. And so that's kind of the mindset I'm going to try to have. And when it comes to like content creation, I should probably make a script before trying to copy stuff. Attach script. Put in scripts. There's no default folder. Dang it. I kind of screwed up. Alright, create folder. Default. Make it here, and I'm probably going to have to edit the other thing. Scenes. Man, I forgot what I was talking about. I guess for like, I feel like I'm repeating myself, but like for projects like this, just yeah, I don't know how to say something that isn't like a duh or something. I don't even know if it needs to be said, but let me clear script for now. And where's the scripts? Where's the scripts? Oh, you guys can't see it right now. Put this in defaults. And now I can attach a script. Board tile. Alright, so I guess I'm just going to try to take it easy, not take it super seriously, in the name of trying to enjoy myself and stuff, because enjoying myself is kind of hard to do. We've been going for 6 minutes now. I don't have my timer. Well, I do, but I didn't start it, so I guess I'm just going off of OBS for a clock. Alright, so we need a reference to the tile map. Tile map, the timer, and the cool timer. Can I? Oh. No, I can't do what I was going to try to do. Alright, so I'm going to have to edit those. Maybe? Probably not. Well, yeah. I hate when I accidentally hit Control-C instead of Control-V. I gotta recopy. So now it's get parent get node, because it's not in main. Get parent get node. I'm gonna eat all of my toaster. Did I? Really? Really? So now I'm gonna have to type get parent again. Okay, so I guess even though I can see my keyboard, I need some more assistance, so I'm gonna turn my lamp on. Because even when I can see my keyboard, I still hit Control-V instead of Control-C. Clumsy piece of crap. Okay, that's not where I want to paste it. There it is. Now, run this scene, get an error. Oh. Okay. I thought it was going to get an error because it doesn't have access to those things because it's not in the main scene tree, it's just that scene. Yeah, I'll need all of this. I guess I could do this too. I don't know. I guess I can try to copy everything. What's these errors? Node now condition node is true. It didn't find the tile map or the timer. But does that mean it found a cool timer? Because there's no error saying that it didn't find a cool timer. It's too cool to not be found. Let me just copy all this. Then basically paste it. Okay, so what I want to do now, save scene. I'm gonna comment out the randomize. Well, I don't need to do that right now. Identifier not found thing. Okay, alright. I guess that should have been I should have done more thinking with my brain. Because of course it's going to need the square tile. Oh, attempt to call function, get time left in null instance on null instance. On the time, oh yeah, because they don't have timer, okay. And I just realized that in my current setup, y'all can't see the thing the test thing, the test game. So I basically copied it all. I don't need the input UI A or B. And that should be it. So now I can take off all of these, hopefully. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm a bit paranoid, so. Okay, so it's working good, but that's because it's doing it by itself. I'm not even calling the thing. So I guess we take out the input event for spacebar and the check neighbor. So now we just got manually placing and putting and taking away tiles. Let's take all this stuff away, and then I guess we'll put it in the ready function. Yeah. Because right now, I don't want to fiddle with just summoning, like, I could summon it with, like, pressing space, but the thing is, pressing space is supposed to make the board do its thing. I'm at 15 minutes now. I think in the future I might want to change that where hitting spacebar just kind of deletes and remakes the map or something, that the board, like it deletes it and then adds a new one, and then have it to where the board just starts, so it starts in the ready function instead of in the input. But for now, we'll just add it. Let's make this board, and then instead of board tile, we have board control. And then now, oh wait, I can't. It needs thing for manual placement of tiles. And then kind of want them grouped in with like-minded stuff, so I don't have to go fishing to see where the hell I'm looking for stuff. Goals, I can just copy and paste it. Now that I can see my keyboard better. Then change this into board control. And then I can do that thing where instance and add child to tree. Variable equals board dot instance. Okay, now take view monitor so you can see this. Boom. It looks like it went okay. Let's go to debugger. Live scene tree. We have the board control in there. Alright. Now to spacebar. And board control makes a bunch of squares, and I think it's in the middle of doing crap. Yeah, it is. And wait a minute. Okay. I thought I was going to have a problem deleting them because they're not in main anymore, but I guess the code checks out because it's literally doing it from like the placement and stuff. So if I hit space again, it'll make new board. Looks like so far so good. Why is the deep, why is there so much space? Alright, I'm gonna, like, you see this stuff? I'm gonna, I want to see if it makes board first though. Okay, so are you seeing this? It's so spaced out. Like, what the heck? Alright. Clear. Boom. Okay. That's not spaced out now. I'm gonna show the board. So it's trying to do its thing. All right, and now let's hit space again. And it's done it. It's, why is there so much space? Is it really printing like nothing? Is there times where it's just printing a bunch of nothing? This irritates the butthead. 23 minutes. Oh, it made board. It doesn't affect. Oh, there are no errors. Oh, there are no errors because we separated them. Oh, that's nice. But hey, we that's almost it's like a wonky looking sausage or something. Anyway, yeah, why is it doing that? Why the heck is it doing that? Prints, right? Prints. Let's go to board control. It prints at least one thing. Print current. Print damn cheeky bitch for else. For that's if. Why is it? I don't understand why a debug is doing that. I might have to. It's just super annoying. Like, holy crap. Hope it's not all spaced out like that. Okay, so it looks like things are okay. things are definitely okay. I'm gonna pause real quick, do some stuff, and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I was overheating and had to do eye drops. So, since things are basically going okay, hey, first try. Looks kind of like a bunny rabbit that's trying to hop away. They haven't left the ground yet. There's a foot. Oh. Oh yeah, I had the monitor on still. Alright, cool. I thought there's the ear and nose and head and body. I thought you guys couldn't see what I was seeing. So it made a yeah, see this? Debug process stopped. It like prints a lot of stuff, a lot of dummy stuff. I don't know why it does that. And it's like getting under. It's really irritating me because I really hope that doesn't become like a constant problem. I use prints to try and see where the heck things go wrong. If they're spaced out that far, it's going to be really stupid. If each one is spaced out that far, probably not, but so next thing kind of want to do is let me see. I want to have it to where if the temps it stops. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. Because I'll need to know things. Alright, so is it still on monitor? It's still on fucking monitor. So I guess y'all going to see this. Projects 3, fuck around, let's build a town. And I can just delete this. Okay, that needs to be updated, but alright, just play it again, make sure it doesn't screw up. There, cheeky again. So, oh, and it made one. Oh my god. The debug isn't doing the thing. Oh my god. I'm trying to see if it gradually does that thing with the debug. you'd see like a stroll reel bar thing. Okay, I'm going to press it again. Okay. Wait. Yeah, it's screwing up somehow. It played it twice. So I'm gonna try something. So I hit once, and so it has one starting coordinate. That's a pretty sizable board. And now, okay, looks like it's working good. No. Well, it's doing some weird things. But apparently it's not doing weird shit with debug right now. So weird. So weird. 32 minutes now. So what I think I want to try to do next is after 5 tries, I'll go back to just the code. After 5 tries, it stops the board, does not make a file of the available cells. And I want to set the last tile as end, as an ending tile. So that when they step on the board, it ends, or when they step on the ending tile. So what we do is board path and let's see, how do we do it at the start? Make it get starting square sprite. So that's all we did. So in board tile, I guess I'll pass state. State is either beginning or end tile. If state equals end, then bar end tile equals false, but we set it to true. End tile equals true. So loop start again, and then loop start. And then when we erase shit, get node I'll copy this. Alright, so get node dot loop, where is it? Loop start. Instead of begin, we want end. End. That should do it. And makes a tile the end of the board if set to true. You'll need code later on to like close the board or whatever when it's landed on. But that should work. Oh my, why is there so many like blanks right before like switch scene tab? It's so dumb. All right. Monitor. Let's play the game. Did it cheeky. Now if it completes the board, then we ain't going to see the thing. Oh no, oh okay. It did it. You see that? You see that? That's the end of the board. All right. And now I'm gonna press it again. Doesn't look like anything's broken. Oh, kind of got close. I was texting. I was looking at messages. I need to look at the time when on OBS after it gets done here. Yep. Well, it's gonna go back pretty far. Boom. Woo! Here we go. It does the thing. Alright. And you see this? You see this bar? It literally done it. It literally did it. Again. I didn't even... But wait. What the fuck? Debug process stopped. And then it did a bunch. There's a bunch of these errors too. Let's see. I still have monitor up, right? Yeah, okay. And 42 minutes. Okay, alright. Well, I did a fuck. Method function failed, returning 0. What does it mean, method function failed? Condition ERR is true, return ERR. Does ERR stand for error? Condition ER is not equal to OK is true. Return res. Like resource or failed loading resource board tile. What you mean failed loading board tile? It loaded a bunch of board tiles. I don't know. It's not an error. It shows up in the like output or debugger. It's just in condition first is not equal to 0 is true. First. Okay, FIRST. It's just in check neighbors. Or is it? It's first nay keep though. It's not underscore first. So I don't know what it's doing. Or what it's even referring to. Yeah, I have no clue what those errors are supposed to be, or even if they matter, because it's not showing any errors in the actual game. So I'm just really weird out. But yeah, looks like it works. So what would be for next time? I guess next time would be getting some kind of like player piece to rock around the board when it's done and completed. I guess for the board controller, there's only going to be one, so I can just make a sprite, put it as player piece, and since the squares are 40 by 40, I think, do I just have it on code? No, I have it on monitor too. All right. So pictures. I guess I want to like half it. So it's probably better if I have transparency. So looks like Clip Studio Paint. I have 13 minutes left. Come on. Oh boy. I'll just quickly make a 20 by 20 stick figure. New 20 by 20. Why does it say resolution 72? What does that even mean? DPI? I don't know what that means. Okay. It's so tiny. So tiny. Screw that. Alright, cool. The paper, I will just... Where's the bucket? There it is. I'll just... Excuse me, I'm on paper. Are you kidding me? I can't draw on the paper. Stupid idiot. Alright, cool. Pen. Oh god. That's my volume. Brackets. That doesn't really look good at all. Can I go up to 2? That looks a little better on the preview, but not. Anyway. Let's try filling out the whole thing. Big head. Boo. Big arms. Little body, big. Alright, export as a ping image. I'm gonna have to, oh, here it is. Alright, pics, default, board tiles, new folder. Board, mini, board, creature, minis, I guess. And then we'll put this as player mini. Think this is okay. That looks really small. All right, let's go into pictures, board minis, and then put the texture in here. Let's have it hidden. Then have 7 minutes. I have enough time to do this. All right, so should I have it as its own function? I guess I could. BPP equals 0, set board path placement back to the start of the board. So what I use BPP for, place in board path index number. I'll just go back to code view. So setting that to 0 is important. But we return before that happens. So I will cut this out. And I'll make a new function for what to name it? Board stage 2. So in board stage 2, we set BPP board piece position to 0 because that's where it would be on the first position, which is 0 in the array. Sets piece position to tile map coordinates instead of global X and Y. So we have player piece, and I'm just gonna on ready var play piece equals get node. It's not going to give me name suggestions. Okay, player piece. Alright, so play piece dot position set position we're going to have to map it to world, aren't we? We got 1 minute. I'm just gonna be, I'll probably have to clean it up later, but how do we do it? H is map to world, and then the vector. So set var chord to board path BPP, which is 0. Then set coordinates to chord plus vector, right? Vector to 20, 20. However, if that's going to happen, we have to... Why is it not giving me an error? Okay, it is. In order to do that, we have to set... Okay, it is centered. Centered is on. Centered is on for player piece. So we set it there, and then play piece set hidden to false, so we can see it. Oh. I could... Okay, I had this. I had this. So I can just... Can I do that? Then plus vector to 20, 20. Let's see if that works. All right, here we go. We're going over. Oh my god. You see this debug thing? It did the thing, and then oh my god. It doesn't show the player piece because it's not on top. It's not on the bottom of the tree. That's why. All right, well, that's going to be it for now. I'm going to give myself a comment saying put piece at end of tree so it's on top of everything. So I guess that's what I'll try to work on tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Next time. Might be tomorrow. Probably won't be tomorrow. But yeah, so that'll be all for today. Things went smoothly, which is pretty good. So I kind of don't know how to do the outro, because I don't really know what I'm doing with it, but like, I guess if you guys want to talk about anything from this video or whatever, you can leave a comment. If you like what I do, or for some reason there'll be a link to my Ko-fi in the description, so if you want to just help support me by like giving me a couple bucks or something through that, you can. The link to that will be in the description. And hope you guys have a good one. Take care.